our result discussion, the knowledge article. The title of article is The English Reading Habits of English Language Education Undergraduate Student at English Department, written by Winda Estetika Wulandari, Utari Prabhasukti, and Frida. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Pasha Niro as the moderator and my presenter.
My name is Desiree Saputri as the
The first one is outline of our PowerPoint. The first one is background or introduction. The second is aims of study. And the third is research question. And the fourth, research methodology. And the fifth, result and discussion. The sixth, conclusion, and the last is reference. And the first explanation will be delivered by Desi.
Okay, next slide is introduction. This article explains that reading is essential literacy activity in education because it helps students develop comprehension, critical thinking, knowledge formation. Reading is considered a fundamental learning process and an important skill, especially in countries where English is learned as a foreign language, including in Indonesia. However, Indonesia still has a low reading interest compared to developed countries. As shown by UNESCO data, indicating that reading habits among Indonesia remain weak. Student reading habits are influenced by internal factors such as motivation, emotion, and passion. And for external factors, including family support, environment, teacher, and education facilities. By Jackman 2016. Previous studies highlight that student reading habits are also affected by technology development, where students increasingly prefer digital reading through the internet rather than printed material. Therefore, the study investigates English reading habits among English language education (ELE) undergraduate students at University Negeri Malang. From the aims to determine English reading habits of English language education undergraduate student at the Universitas Negeri of Malang. For this question, the second question is how are the English reading habits of English education undergraduate student at the English Department Universitas Negeri Malang. And I'm sorry, for the aims is we have focus on four aspects. The first one is student attitude toward reading. Secondly, purposes of reading. Third, reading frequency, and the last one is reading reference. Okay, for the research methodology from the speaker two.
Survey is curriculum or academic courses, personal self-education, and clear reading, and having clear reading processes motivate students to read more with activity. Just we move to the next slide.
Okay, and then the reading frequency. The results show that students generally read 2 until 4 hours per day and tend to read books every week. Regularly, it helps improve cognitive skills and strengthen reading habits. However, most students read fewer than 5 books per month because they must divide their time among academic tasks, social activity, and personal interests. Although reading frequency is considered good improvement in skill building, and that the reading preference students demonstrated the first reading preference. They did not limit themselves to fiction or non-fiction texts but read various genres. Many students publish writer as a reading preference. The internet plays a significant role in student reading habits because help them access information easily. So digital technology is important in their reading habits.
Next is conclusion. Study shows that English language education students at University Negeri Malang have a good English reading habit. Reading is supported by parents, teachers, and peers, and students believe it improves their English and academic learning. However, they still need to increase reading frequency and the number of books read. And students also have good English reading habits. They show positive attitude, clear reading purposes, consistent reading frequency, varied reading preferences, and teachers should motivate students to enjoyable literacy and progress. And I think that's all from our presentation. So if you have any question or feedback, please raise your hand.
Based on the article and from your explanation before, the results show that students spend around 2 until 4 hours per week for reading. And in your opinion, do you think this reading frequency, 2 until 4 hours, that is sufficient enough to develop good reading habits among the adult students? I don't know if I'm missing something from your explanation, but I just want to ask this. Yes. Tadi the student like spend 2 until 4 hours a day. Now, in your opinion, this time 2 until 4 hours can develop like reading. What's that? Their readings that the adult students.
If they do this every day, they read 2 until 4 hours for reading, I think that can develop their reading. But if not consistent, it's not reading.
If they like do these habits for every day, they can develop their reading.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I want to ask in the introduction. Okay, so does the article stated the internal and external factor that can influence reading habits of the students? Thank you.
Main article from
Yes. So the introduction is like point 4. Reading habits are influenced by internal and external factors. Thus, the article stated the internal and the external factor. What are the internal and the external factors of it?
for the internal factor, kayak eksternalnya tuh kayak kita dikasih motivasi, perhatian dan emotion kita tuh gimana gitu dalam membaca. Terus by external factor itu tuh ada dukungan keluarga, family support, and environment, sama teacher dan educational facilities. Jadi kalau internal itu nanti kan dari diri kita sendiri, tapi kalau external factor yang itu yang dari dukungan keluarga, terus pemerintah lingkungan itu gimana kayak mensupport kita dalam meningkatkan reading habits di Indonesia. Dan juga dari guru dan fasilitas di sekolah itu memadai programnya.
Jadi di artikel ada itu.
Ada, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Any question or feedback or what?
I think enough. Thanks for the question and thanks for the nice attention of participants and yeah, thank you and